शूट चल रहा है यूट्यूब। ये तो पीटीएस में जाएगा ना। आप ऐसे विस्पर क्यों कर रहे हो? Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are taking good care of yourself. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Priyasha and thank you for watching me and thank you for giving me the privilege to entertain you. And also if you are new, I would love if you would hit the subscribe button on my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. But anyways, if you're a regular subscriber, so welcome. Well, just let me tell you that I had a super productive day today. I shot some get ready with me, some transition reels, and now finally the YouTube video, the Nykaa haul, the much awaited Nykaa haul. I know I've been dealing it since a very long time, but now finally it's here. And yes, I bought a bunch of stuff. This is all the stuff in here. But around my birthday, generally every year I go crazy, and it doesn't even start in April. It starts from January. So I've been shopping since January for my birthday and all the stuff. So basically it's a 4-month process. Just cut to the short chase. And yes, I'm gonna tell you all the rest of the stories and my life update and everything in the video. So now without wasting much of the time, we'll quickly jump into the video. And about the background different, you might be wondering, it's all in the video, so you have to watch.
2, 3, fuck it.
You might be wondering, why is the background different? What is this background? Since 1 year we are seeing my bedroom, my studio wall and everything. But for current situation, I think for some months this is going to be my background. Currently I had some family loss in my life and it was very sudden for all of us. So basically my life is on a roller coaster right now. It's all haywire, nothing is in the place right now. But I finally started filming again. All the content that I've been putting up, the nude makeup or on Instagram, all the content was shot way before. It was shot 2-3 weeks before. So I was putting up that content, but now after 14 days, today is the 14th day, yes correct, today is the 14th day, I took a break for 2 weeks because I just wanted to sort some things out. I just wanted to be a little bit happy and finally have that energy to speak to all of you and to sit in front of the camera and record all of it. But now I guess I'm finally in that space and I can do that. So currently for some months I think you're gonna see this background, but I don't know, no one knows what can happen at any time now. At least what happened with me, from that I've realized that life is very uncertain. So please take care of your loved ones, hold them as near as the best you can, and just don't let anyone near or your loved one go away from you. But anyways, this is not a sad video, this is a happy video. So as I said that my life is on a roller coaster right now, but finally I'm happy, I'm in a good place right now. So background is different and the setup is always different. The mirror is placed somewhere else and everything. But actually went crazy with makeup as well, and I bought my first ever high-end eye palette. I had the NARS one, but it got over way back before even I started a YouTube channel. So I owned that high-end palette, but now finally I have that one brand which I wanted since a very long time in my vanity. And when I got that in my hand, it honestly, I had that feeling that I'm doing something great, I'm doing something that I love, and this is in my hands, so that makes sense of all of this I am doing. But yes, that brand, I had that dream that I'll have this palette or any palette of that brand in my vanity, and it was actually a big deal for me when I got that. So yes, so that is also in this basket. But I've shopped many dresses. Some of the makeup is also left from it will come later because of the COVID situation right now, so the parcels are getting delayed, but everything. So now I've spoken enough and we'll start with this box right here. There were many parcels, there were many boxes of Nykaa, and like they were piling up in here and there, so there was no space for me to keep it in my room. So I threw it all away and I had all of this in here now, so let's quickly jump into this box right now. My Nescafe beach mein because I'm extremely thirsty. I've been speaking since so long. Abhi main kab se bol rahi hu, main thak gayi. But anyways, so I got this Swiss Beauty 5 stick brushes set, and I got it from Nykaa. All the things that are in here are from Nykaa except from some PR package that I received from My Glam, and it had certain goodies in it. So I know the PR package is not included in the Nykaa haul, but because it's a Nykaa haul plus review, so I wanted to give you the review of their products. So if you want to go ahead and purchase them, you will have some idea if you see this. So but coming back to the brushes, I actually wanted a blush brush, but I kept the Wet n Wild in my cart and I got busy in some work, and when I checked my cart again, it was out of stock. So then I saw this packet and I saw the angular brush as well. I broke my angular brush by mistake, so I wanted the angular brush and the flat toed brush as well to just apply some glitter in the inner corner of my eyes and under my eyebrows. So I ordered the set. So this is from Swiss Beauty. I don't remember the price. It says 300. It's 300. So I got this, and the brush quality, trust me, is extremely nice. It's not one of those, light brushes or anything. It's actually really cute, and the quality is actually very nice. And I have applied blush by this only, but I kept it in the packet so that I can show you how the packaging also looks. The second thing I purchased is my Good Vibes Tea Tree Skin Cleansing Toner. I have been using the Body Shop Tea Tree Toner since a very long time, and Tea Tree suits my skin the best because I have dry skin, and Tea Tree actually works the best. But my Body Shop one got over, and unfortunately the mall in Udaipur is closed, so I cannot go to the Body Shop store and get my toner back. But I saw the Good Vibes toner, and I've actually used Good Vibe products earlier, and it was really nice, so I ordered it. Definitely recommend you to check your skin type before ordering the toner because it is tea tree, pomegranate, lemongrass, and I think they have hibiscus and lavender as well, but they don't suit my skin the best. But tea tree does wonder for me, so I ordered this toner, and it's actually good. I don't know, it retails for 195 bucks, and it is 120 ml, and it is no paraben, no sulfate, and cruelty free. And you all know that I've tried my level best, and mostly I have shifted to cruelty free brands and vegan brands, so this is a great purchase, trust me. And for 195 rupees, if you're getting 120 ml and the product is actually really good, it will not do anything bad to your skin, I think you should definitely go for it. Then we have this 3D mirror. I have not told you about this mirror. So this is the mirror I have. I cannot show you. I don't want to show it myself. But this is the mirror I have. Okay, I got this from Miniso, that is why the design is like this, but I don't have any other option. I was scrolling a lot, and then finally I found this mirror because I need the two panels which I can get the closer look for the makeup and for the texture and the middle part, but I needed a big mirror like this, so when you keep it on the table it actually looks big and you can see. So does this Miniso has these cute edit designs, and I couldn't help it, but I needed a mirror desperately, so I had to buy this. But it's actually very cute and very handy. It's a really nice purchase. I don't remember for how much I bought it because it's been 2-3 months since I've bought this mirror. I have no clue literally, but I think it was around 400-450, like 450ish around hoga ye. The product that the brand I was talking to you about, wo dusra hai and this is second. But yes, I wanted this since a very long time in my vanity, since it launched, and finally around my birthday I got this. And let me tell you that this is one of my best purchases I have ever made, and I'm going to absolutely restock it as soon as it gets over or even before it. That is the K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. It's the enriched with avocado plus mango butter, and trust me, whatever the packaging says, it is actually true. All the K by Katrina products, all the K Beauty products are really nice. Trust me, you can close your eyes and trust them blindly and you can buy their products. You will not regret purchasing it. I am in the shade 125Y medium, I guess. Yes, it's 125Y medium. This is how the bottle looks like. It's a glass bottle. The packaging is super cute. It retails for 1200 bucks and it comes with a pump, which is extremely handy. I am wearing this foundation right now. It's actually skin finish, hydrating. I am extremely dry skin person and trust me, this foundation works magically for me. Quality. It is super hydrating. It just looks like skin finish. And let me tell you the best second thing that I found about it, and I've tried it. This is the dupe, exact dupe for the Fenty Beauty foundation. I've tried the Fenty Beauty foundation as well, and it is actually the dupe of that. It is so skin like. You can see I'm wearing it right now. I wore it in the wedding as well, and it was actually glass finish. I had to put in no effort to blend in extra या setting powder अच्छे से लगा के, so that it doesn't look that बहुत ज़्यादा foundation है, but it just magically melts into your skin. And अगर मैं इतना बोल रही हूँ एक foundation के लिए, so you all know that you can just buy it, just go and buy it. So this is one of the great investments that you can do for a foundation, and actually it comes with a pump, so you can take out the exact proportion, that how much you want less or you want more, so go ahead with this one. Then the next thing I got is the Good Vibes Lemon Refreshing Face Wash. It is again no paraben, no mineral oil, cruelty free and vegan, and it is actually very good. It is a little bit high fragrant, I thought, but I like soaps and body washes with a little bit fragrance, so it works for me. But I really like this one because and first of all, it did not make my skin dry after I used it. So I actually never thought that I will go and buy some other brand that I've never tried, but Inside Cosmetics proved me totally wrong. Their products are really, really nice. They don't have any high fragrance or anything, and you can actually buy Inside Cosmetics, if you're a beginner and if you want to do a beginner friendly makeup, if you don't apply makeup on a regular basis, just occasionally, then you can definitely go with Inside Cosmetics. I've bought some good stuff from Inside and they have not disappointed me. Trust me, it is actually really good. Then I repurchased my L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Genius Active Cream. This is 50 ml and it retails for 700 bucks. But I repurchased this because I actually love this cream. You all know it is just water texture on my skin, and it's actually very lightweight, and I really love the texture of this Hydra Bomb. Actually, I wanted to try the Neutrogena one as well, but then I thought that my skin was not in good condition at that time. I was having some breakout because I was using makeup since I think 3 weeks on a daily basis, so that was giving my skin a breakout. So I knew that I had to repurchase this so that my skin texture gets normal back. So I got this. Then where did it go? You have seen me using the Wet n Well foundation. I've not bought it right now. I bought it in February, but I did not give you a proper review of this. Okay, so the Maybelline and the K-Beauty one are the hydrating and the dewy foundation, and this is a matte foundation. It's written also. It's foundation photo focus matte foundation. It's in the shade I am medium. No, sorry, it's golden beige. It's medium moin or warm, you can call it, but I am in the shade golden beige, and it is for, I don't know how much ml it is. I think it's 30 ml. It's 30 ml. It's cruelty free and it's 30 ml. It's written here, and it retails for, I think, 800 bucks. Like, it's 750. No, wait. I got it for 800 bucks. Yes, it retails for 800 bucks, and it is actually a really nice matte photo focus foundation. If you're not the dewy kind of person, if you like your foundation full coverage and matte, I would definitely recommend you to try this. And the best thing I like about this is, again, that it does not, like, you don't have to take it out like this. It comes with a wand like this. And then the next thing is, I needed a primer. I have my Nykaa primer and my MAC one and my papaya serum and L'Oreal, but everything, but again I needed a silicone primer, which is not the glow primer anything, because silicone primer works best for my skin. Trust me, it actually works really best for my skin. And when I went to Nykaa app. I wanted to buy the Nykaa primer again, but it was out of stock, and I really needed the primer because I was leaving for a wedding. So I wanted restock them. They are from MAC. I ordered them from Nykaa, and each retails for 1,500 bucks. My two more makeup, no wait, three more makeup sponges are coming from Giorgio, from Nykaa as well. I ordered the ELF bite size eyeshadow as well. I wanted to include it in the Nykaa haul, but it was continuously out of stock, and finally yesterday at 4 o'clock in the morning it was in stock, and one piece was left, and I ordered it right away. So I ordered some beauty blenders more because the MAC ones only two were available, and because it was in all here, so it all has got crushed now. But yes, it's actually the MAC ones. You're seen me using it and you know how they look. But here's how the packaging is. But हाँ, तो मैं बोल रही थी that three more are gonna come from Giorgio, and the ELF is going to come, but you'll see me using them in the next video probably. Then we have in here is my Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara in the shade black. It is, I don't know for how much ml, but I do remember the price. It is for 270 bucks. And I told you this price. The sponges retail for 1,500 bucks each. And I restocked this Maybelline Hyper Curl. I had this Hyper Curl mascara way before even started the channel or not. I've had all the Maybelline mascaras. I've had the Maybelline first, they launched the green and pink one Colossal mascara. Then I had the Blue Temptation mascara. Then I had the normal yellow Colossal mascara. Then I have this, and I had one more way earlier. It was all of green color, that first Maybelline mascara they launched. So I have had all of them, but I restocked this. I'm currently wearing it, and you can see the volume my lashes have. You've already seen me using this, and I've spoken enough about this mascara. But it's actually worth every penny you spend on it, and it will not disappoint you, and it is highly waterproof, so that works the best.